This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS & Company Mortgage Brokers.
Welcome back, everyone. Jeff Farnham joins us now with the JTS Mortgage Minute. Jeff, it's good to see you again.
Yeah, you too, Bill. Good to see you.
Let's talk a little bit about pre-qualifying. Now, if somebody is looking for a home, is it mandatory that they pre-qualify for the mortgage before they do anything else?
Well, it's not mandatory, but it is advisable. If you go out there and get pre-qualified, then you become a better borrower, a better negotiator when it comes time to negotiate your contract for the purchase of your home. So pre-qualifying is just a way of gathering information, find out what's available to you, what you can afford, the different types of loan programs, and those kind of things.
And how does someone pre-qualify, and what do they need to pre-qualify?
Well, really, we make it very simple. There's several ways you can do it with our office. One is, get online and put an application in online, or call our office, or just stop by anytime. And one of the things we look for is what I do in pre-qualification. I'll sit down and analyze your income, look at your, what's available to you, your credit, all those kinds of things, and make sure what we're looking at before you go out there and start looking at homes. What we see a lot of times is people go out there and they start looking for houses before they know what they can afford, what's available to them, the types of loan programs, and then they get there, they come in, they've got a contract, but then they find out they can't do what they thought they could do. So being able to go out there and negotiate a better and stronger contract takes a lot of stress off the process.
Now, how long does this process normally take?
Well, generally, if somebody put an application online or called our office, usually within 24 hours we'll have done a pre-qualification for you, sometimes same day. Just depends on what time of day you call, when you get your information in, but we'll take care of that and work through it very quickly for you.
Now, if someone receives a pre-qualification letter, how long is that letter good for?
Well, that's always a good question people ask, is how long do I have? Well, typically a credit report we pull is going to be good for about 90 days, and then we'd have to update that information. So a pre-qualification letter really doesn't expire unless something really changes in your information. We may have to update information if it goes beyond 60 days or 90 days or 120 days, but that's okay. You don't want to set a timeline out there that forces you to try to rush. The whole purpose of pre-qualification is for you to find out what can I do, what is available to me, and have a realistic expectation of what the process is going to be like as you go out there to make your home purchase.
Rates still looking good?
Absolutely. Rates are holding out. We saw, open up last week a little favorable, and then had some kind of a rough week, if you will, to put a little pressure back on mortgage rates. They finished up a little bit from where they started last week, but overall rates are holding out in very, very strong territories. Again, if you're thinking about refinancing or purchasing, it's now with rates where they are, it looks really good.
Good information as usual. And of course, if you missed last week's show, you can always go to their Facebook page, or you can, of course, hit their website at jts-co.com, or give them a call at 329-9090. Jeff, good to see you.
Yep, you too. Thanks, Bill.
I'll take a break. Come back with more in just a moment.